Road Show. Pageants like Miss Virginia can be extremely competitive, but you should know that there is more to pageant life than looks and beauty.
That's right. 20-year-old Andalyn Medina has spent her entire life competing in pageants and is now preparing to compete for Miss Virginia, but she's also been dedicated to serving others. Andalyn has been a community activist for years, and now, as she preps for one of the biggest competitions she has ever been a part of, she's also preparing to graduate college, and she's done it all while maintaining excellent grades. Get to know Andalyn Medina in this week's edition of I Am Hampton Roads.
My mother always said, if you aim for the moon and you don't succeed, at least you're amongst the stars. So I always try to aim very, very high, and that way I know that even if I don't reach that dream, I'm still doing something amazingly great. Hi, I'm Andalyn Medina, and I'm Miss Roanoke Valley 2016, as well as a volunteer and advocate for social issues. I was born in Chicago, Illinois. My parents are both retired military officers. My mom did 20 years, my father 24. And they did a lot of their traveling and moving before I was born, thankfully. So the only move that I've made is from Chicago to Chesapeake, and I've called it my home ever since. So I started doing pageants as well as volunteering at the age of 4 because I started kindergarten early. So I actually knew how to read at 4. And my mother always taught me the power of one. And so for as long as I can remember, she taught me that if I could volunteer and give back to others, that was my duty. And so from the age of 4, I remember I was reading to my aunt's preschool class, organizing books in the library, just doing whatever I could to give back. But I was always very shy, and so pageants for me was a great way to have that exposure, become experienced, gain a talent, gain confidence. And through competing, I won Miss Virginia's Outstanding Preteen and then Outstanding Teen in 2012, which awarded me a 4-year tuition scholarship to Hollins University, where I'm now a senior. Growing up in pageants, there was some cattiness from the contestants as well as mothers, but one of the main things is that a lot of people don't know that I have scoliosis, which is a curvature in the spine, and I got diagnosed with that, I think, in middle school. So my junior or senior year of high school, I had to wear back braces for 20 hours of the day. And a lot of the girls there, some girls that I considered friends, would say that I was stuck up because I had to walk very tall, and they didn't understand what I was going through, or the fact that I actually had to do that because of my spine. I absolutely loved going to Hollins. It's an all-girls school, which isn't something I originally thought I would want to have as my education, but it's just empowered me and made me who I am and a stronger woman. I'm a psychology major, so I'm planning to take a gap year and hopefully get into a postbachelor research program for psychology. And then I want to get my doctorate in psychology and hopefully in military psychology, just because being the daughter of 2 military officers, there's a lot that we recognize physically that they give up and that they sacrifice, but we also don't realize the mental toll that serving. Young girls are constantly told what we should be like, what we should be wearing, what we should look like. So I would tell them to focus hard on their dreams and what they want, and to not let anybody discourage them from that. And even if it seems unrealistic, and I think with that sense of focus, that sense of positivity and outlook on life, it's almost impossible to not succeed and do well. Hi, I'm Andalyn Medina, and I'm Miss Roanoke Valley 2016. I always say, what's for you will not pass you, and I am Hampton Roads.
Isn't she just adorable? I hope
Wow.
If I have a daughter, I hope she comes out like Andi. Well, she's only 20 years old. She graduates. She did her undergraduate studies within 3 years, graduating with a 4.4 GPA, and now she's prepping for Miss Virginia in June.
Yeah.
Isn't that amazing?
She's very mature, tremendous interview. She was really great.
She's sang for President Obama. She's met Michelle Obama.
Wow.
So everything that she's been doing has really allowed her to see a lot more.
Wouldn't surprise me
we
at all
haven't
if she
seen
was
yet.
named Miss Virginia. Good stuff.
Thank you so much, Andi, for that. Well, still ahead on the Hampton Road